Hey foodies! It's Mihaela from blandelish.com and today I'm gonna show you how to make creamy strawberry salad. This 6-ingredient dessert salad is a healthier, upgraded version of the classic strawberries and cream. Prepare yourself for the fluffiest strawberry clouds. To prepare the strawberries, I let them sit in a vinegar fruit wash. That's a bowl full of water in which I mixed half a cup of vinegar. Let them sit submerged for about 10 minutes. Drain, quickly rinse, then pat them dry with paper towels. Cut off the stems and half the strawberries if they're too big. I've got some small ones, so I'll keep them whole. To make the creamy dressing, you will need a large bowl that can fit all the strawberries. Add the cream cheese, yogurt. Just a quick tip, to make it keto friendly, you can use keto maple syrup, vanilla extract, and orange flower blossom extract if using. Whisk until you get a thick creamy dressing. Next, add the prepared strawberries to the bowl with the dressing and gently toast to coat. Quickly chop the pecans and sprinkle them on your creamy strawberry salad. That was it for today, foodies. For the full recipe plus tips and tricks, just click the link below. And for weekly updates, like, share and subscribe.